Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate and log into your Mercury credit card. Step-by-step guide, step-by-step clearly. To activate your Mercury credit card, first, locate your card. Ensure you have access to your mobile device or computer for the process. Visit the Mercury credit card activation website. You can find this link in the welcome email or on the card packaging. Once on the website, look for the activation section. Enter the required personal information as prompted. This typically includes your credit card number and social security number. After entering your details, click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message if the activation is successful. Now, let's move on to logging in to your Mercury account. Return to the Mercury credit card main website. Look for the login option on the home page. Click on it to access the login page. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you're a new user, look for the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your account. After entering your login credentials, click the Sign In button. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your balance and transactions. If you encounter any issues, there's an option for password recovery. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. You are now ready to manage your Mercury credit card effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.